Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for an English exam at the last minute. First, quickly skim through your notes and any assigned readings. Look for recurring themes, important literary devices, and key vocabulary. Prioritize the topics that seem most challenging or frequently appear in practice questions. The goal here is to get a broad overview and pinpoint your weak spots, not to reread everything in depth. This initial scan will guide your focused review. Next, engage in active practice. Review any example questions or essay prompts you have access to. Try writing brief summaries of major texts or literary theories in your own words. This helps solidify your understanding and recall. Don't spend too much time on full essays. Instead, focus on outlining your arguments and identifying key evidence. This targeted practice will prepare you for the types of questions you'll encounter. Now it's time for active recall. Quiz yourself on literary terms, author names, and key concepts. Try explaining complex ideas out loud as if you were teaching someone else. This method reveals gaps in your knowledge. Avoid cramming all night. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of quality sleep. A well-rested mind performs significantly better than an exhausted one, improving your focus and memory retention. On exam day, arrive early and bring all necessary materials, like multiple pens and any permitted texts. Take a few deep breaths to calm your nerves. Read every instruction carefully before you start writing. Understanding the prompt is half the battle. Allocate your time wisely across all sections. And hey, for a different kind of upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Good luck with your exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.